Tips and tricks to style a small apartment living room. Take a blank canvas and style it with showstopper showpieces. For floor, add a soft dari. Sometimes if you don't have a trinket dish, just use a tray with beautiful gold work. Keep books vertically to save space. I personally like buying a lot for my home, but if you have a small space, then try this tip. Mix and match small vases with flowers to fill in without clutter. Add light or similar printed cushions to make the room look more spacious. Use glass jars for both function and decor. Keep your diaries, candles, or some sweet treat in the corner cabinet away from your pet. Once in a while, change the arrangements of the room to add new freshness. Invest in these shelves when drilling is not an option. Use sturdy basket sets for storing extra set of bedsheet or towels for your guest. There are more tips and tricks that can elevate a small space with just the right elements. Stay tuned for the next video.